my name is Pilar, and today I'll be showing you how to assemble the Ballet Papier Nutcracker Party kit. As you can see, I have gone ahead, printed and cut out all of the materials that we will be needing. The material that we will be needing are some scissors, some toothpicks, double-sided tape, ribbon or yarn, some toothpicks, and a hole puncher. And if you do not have a double-sided printer, then you will just have to glue both pages together so that will make the double-sided. Okay. So first we will be making a cupcake topper. You will need the paper, a toothpick, and some double-sided tape. So you're just going to put the double-sided tape on the toothpick and there you have a cupcake topper. Next, I will be showing you how to make the candy holder. First, you're just going to cut it out. Then you're going to tape or glue both of the pages together so that it's double-sided. Fold all of the little tabs, and then you're just going to glue it all together, and you have your candy holder. Next, I will be showing you how to make an ornament. So, you're just going to get ribbon or yarn, whatever you want, and then you're just going to cut the ribbon and cut all of the paper. You're going to punch the holes where it gives you those little holes. Thread the ribbon through, and there you have an ornament. Next, I will be showing you how to make a little party banner. So you're just going to get your ribbon or yarn, and you're just going to put it under this little tab that you probably would bend. You're going to tape that with double-sided tape, and you have your party banner. Next, I'm going to be showing you how to make a candy cone, okay? You're just going to tape it double-sided, and you're just going to roll it up